Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. That really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is some back rollers by a company called FitBeast. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once it arrives, it comes in this nice little kind of carrying case here. Has a handle at the top. It even has a zipper on the back so you can put the instructions and stuff like that in there, or a credit card. But then when you open it up, that is where all the great stuff. So first off, they include a nice little user manual here that gives you some also exercise kind of tips on how to kind of work out the roller, but we're going to cover how it kind of works here in the video. They also include a free little clip here for the ladies to tie back your hair. And then there's also this like little kind of cloth here that they've shaped into a bear or something. And then most importantly is the wheels itself. So first we will start with the large wheel. As you can see, here it is. This is a 12-inch wheel. So how this works is there's this little groove right here, and you're gonna place that on your spine, and then you're gonna just slowly row from your lower back all the way to your upper back, and it's gonna just stretch out your spine and your back. It feels absolutely amazing. You may even feel a little bit of a popping as it's realigning things. Now, it has this nice thick foam coating on the outside, which I absolutely love because it really takes off the pressure. It's really soft when sitting there. Just make sure, like I said, you line up your spine down the middle. Now, the 12-inch wheel itself is designed for kind of that gentle pressure. So if you are starting off for the first time doing wheel exercises, this is the one to start with, because as the wheels get smaller, they get more intense. Now, as far as the next wheel, you are going to get the 9-inch wheel, and so this is what it looks like. Once again, same thing. All the wheels are 7 inches wide here, and they all have this groove for your spine. They all have this thick foam, like I mentioned, which I think is about 3/4 inch thick here. And it's all very anti-slip because you can see it has a nice little texture on there, so it's not going to slide out from underneath you. So now, once again, this is the same thing. You can utilize this for on your back, your lower back, and then you move kind of forward. Because it is smaller, this is going to give you a lot more firm pressure. So if you kind of really want to get in and get some knots removed, this is the one to grab. But if it is too intense, go ahead and go back to the 12-inch one. And then finally, you are going to get the little guy right here. So this is the 6-inch wheel. I like to call this the focus wheel. This is the one that is going to bring a lot of deep pressure. You can utilize this on your back. It's too intense for me. I don't like that, but as far as it works great with my neck, I like to put it on my neck and just kind of slowly move, and it releases that tension for me. It's also great for working your calf muscles. So let's say you go for a long bike ride and you want to kind of relax those muscles. It is absolutely great for that. Once again, same thing, nice thick foam here, and it's all the anti-slip and everything. So overall, like I said, if you're looking to get into some of these wheels to release those tensions, I think this is a great pack. It comes with all 3 wheels, so you can really experience what you like. And you can check out all the various different exercises and see which ones work for you and which ones don't. So if you are in the market or you know somebody that would enjoy this, I totally recommend it. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.